Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Google Classroom tutorials. How to take attendance on Google Classroom. Suppose you are conducting a class and if you want to take attendance of a particular class or period, in Google Classroom we can do it very easily by using question feature. Select the class to which you want to take the attendance. Come to Classwork tab. Here I have created few attendances for different classes and placed all of them under attendance topic. Now to create a new attendance, click on create. From the drop down menu, please select a question. I want to prepare here attendance for tomorrow's computer class at 9 a.m. In title we can type and enter the instructions if required. After that, to prepare the attendance, we need to select multiple choice question. In option 1, I'm typing present. No need to mention the option for absent is, and in right pane, select the class and students. I'm selecting all the students of 10th A. In points, I want to give 1 mark. Select the due date for tomorrow's class and select the due time. After that, we can select a topic. Previously, I have created attendance topic. If you want to create a new topic, simply click on create topic, enter the topic name. I want to select attendance and we can uncheck students can see the class summary because no need to allow the students to see the class summary. After that, we need to click on ask, but if you want to schedule, click on the arrow. From the options, please select to schedule. Here we need to select the date and time. I want to keep tomorrow's date only, but I want to change time. At 8:50, I want to post this. And under attendance, we got attendance for computer class scheduled for tomorrow. Here I have today's attendance. Let's check it. Here it is showing 2 students handed in. Let's check the question. And notice that please mark the attendance before 10:15 a.m. Click on the student who done late. See the history and notice that he gave the attendance at 10:37. That's why it is showing handed in late. And the students who don't give the attendance, they will be seen with missing. After that, now let's check the attendance sheet now we prepared from the student side. Since we have scheduled that, it is not showing now. And one thing, remember that no need to type this every day using question feature. Simply we can reuse the completed task for next day. For that, again click on create. From the drop down menu, please select to reuse post. Then it will show all the posts that we have created. Select a attendance and click on reuse. Again it will open the attendance to make the modification. And notice that just in few clicks we have created the attendance sheet using the reuse post. Let's check the attendance, how it will be seen from student side. Simply they need to select the answer. Similarly, check from another student. Like this, students give the attendance for a particular period. Like this, we can take the attendance on Google Classroom. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.